Hello YouTubers. As you see, this is a Casablanca Broadway Limited. I traded this with another collector for the 19th century I had found, which I didn't care for. This fan's in pretty good shape. It's got its quirks, unfortunately. Notably the housing, you can see it's kind of bent out right here. The tag, a little off there. I can probably fix that. The blades are okay. This one's got some warpage. You can see I could probably get that out. But besides that, it's in pretty good shape. Switch housing was bent. I did bend that back into shape. So yeah, Broadway Limited. This is a K63 fan. And it has the working variable speed control in it. Let's go ahead and turn the fan on and see what it does. Variable speed is set to the lowest setting. I have not adjusted it or anything. This is how it is when I got it. If I'm correct, this is the harder version to find. The Commodore was the newer version of these fans, which I've seen a lot of. So yeah, I figured this was kind of cool to get. Might keep it, might end up going on eBay. I'll see how I feel about it. Definitely a good performer. I did notice one thing, it's kind of funny, there's not really a set pitch to these things. You can adjust the pitch on these blades to do whatever. I never knew that. I thought there was some kind of set placing, but there's not. So I found that interesting. That's the lowest speed. Let's go ahead and turn it quarter turn. Definitely a neat fan. I've wanted one of these just because Disney. I've grown up with them, and it's kind of funny because I did remove one. There's only 2 of the 3 left there, and I actually know people in Disney, so I wonder if I can contact them and see if they would be interested in this for replacing that one that's missing in Disney. I feel like that'd be kind of cool if they're interested, but who knows. Either way, there's that. Let's go ahead and go for the quarter turn. Right there. The antique brass finish is in good shape, except for some minor dings in the housing, which I'm sure are just from shipping it. It's not bad. It's actually a very nice fan. You can see it's starting to wobble a little bit from that warped blade. I've checked the pitch. They're all exactly the same. Let's go ahead and do another quarter turn. Almost on high, I think. High speed. Like I said, there's that wobble just because of the warped blade. Honestly, it's a very good air mover though. Just need to see if I can fix the blade. Almost looks like the brackets are pretty good. So I gotta play with it and see if I can get it a little better. It came with a hang true and a short spiral down rod. As you can see, there's the reverse switch right there. There's the reversible. On high speed, we're drawing 1.14 amps. Not bad. Go ahead and do spin down. Turning the freshened air on so I can have some air movement. It is hot in this garage. So this is a neat fan. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with it yet. I just figured that someone wants a 19th century and they're willing to trade this, and I figured this is about the same value as 19th century. So I figured it was a fair trade. If anything, I'd rather have this over the 19th century. Yeah. works in it. And like I said, just cool to have another K63 fan. It's funny because I'm actually going to be getting the Commodore fairly soon from Jack. I've got 2 White Hunter originals going on his back porch, and I think we're just going to settle on a trade and some cash for the white original motors. But we'll see what happens. So like I said, I might end up having both this and the newer version, and I can do a test side by side. Or like I said, swap parts out. I'll probably end up keeping one of these fans, whether it be the Broadway or the Commodore, I'm not sure. But I'm definitely going to probably make a best fan of all the parts, and then sell the other fan as a fan for people to buy that need some TLC. But yeah, definitely very cool to have one of these fans. The other kind of ornate fan that's kind of Casablanca that I'm interested in is a New Orleans, but I haven't found one of those yet. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.